Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. Today I'll show you how to execute headless Firefox browser in Selenium. So if you are not sure how to do that, then watch the video till to the end, then you will be able to do the same thing. So today's topics I set it up this way. Automation testing using headless Firefox browser. Basically, we will create a script with regular Firefox, then run the script. Thereafter, we will create the script with headless Firefox, then we'll run a script, then we'll compare the result, regular browser and headless browser. So basically then questions comes in, what is headless browser? Browser without GUI interface, that is called headless browser. It is executed via command line interface or using network communication. That's why GUI interface is not available in here. So it is more faster than real browser. That's why headless browser uses for software automation testing. So in order to do that, we'll use the IDE, Eclipse IDE. So let me open the Eclipse IDE. Here already we have a project package created. If you are very new in Selenium testing, if you want to know the Selenium IDE setup and how to create project package and class, all other thing, I have a separate video for that. I will put that link in the description. You can watch from there. So here is our project package. Then right click in the package, then new. We'll create JUnit test case. You can do test ng too. So click JUnit test case. Let's say name is the example headless browser. Then click finish. First thing, we need to instantiate WebDriver. WebDriver driver equal to null. We don't need this line. First we need to set the properties. So here is the WebDriver is red mark. Import WebDriver, red mark will be gone. Then system dot set property. Basically those are the common thing. We can copy from the other class, whatever we did before, just is the same thing. So let me copy up to this, so that video will be little bit shorter in order to writing the whole test cases. So here is our system.set property, driver Firefox. Then we'll use the Rahul Shetty Academy automation practice. Then thread.sleep, it is a red mark. Just mouse over, add throws declaration, red mark will be gone. Basically, if we run this script, then we can add another thing, driver dot quit. So before quitting, we can pass a console message, SYSO control space bar system out.println. Application successfully invoked. That means if we get this message printed in the console, and this is a GUI mode, basically this is not headless browser, so that we can take a look by ourselves it is executed or not. Also it will print this message in the console. So save it and then right click, run as JUnit test. We are running now. It is a browser will open. It is not headless. You see the browser open and Firefox browser open. It is navigating to the application. It opens up. It will wait time maybe 5 seconds. It will wait. Thereafter it will be closed. So it is maximized and now it should be closed after 5 seconds. So browser close. It is successful. If you see the test result, it is passed and also if you see the console, application successfully invoked. So it is our like this mode. First thing, regular Firefox run script and it is printed. Now we'll go for the headless browser mode. So let me clear the console. Clear. Okay. Now you need to write the code for Firefox option. Let's say fo equal to new Firefox options. So basically here is the red mark. If you mouse over Firefox, it will be options. So mouse over, import that, it red mark will be gone. Thereafter fo dot add arguments, then here is your argument should be dash headless. Now only this fo Firefox option it needs to pass in the driver. That's all for headless browser testing. Now if we run this script, Firefox browser will not open, but it will execute behind the scene. That means it will be behind the scene, it will work, it will open this browser and everything will work as usual. But only thing, for the headless browser, UI will not be present. Headless browser. So when you will run this, you will not see the anymore Firefox browser. It will execute rather than real browser. So save it, right click, run as JUnit test. You see the console, nothing is printed. So JUnit test, let's say it is running. So we'll see the result basically. So whatever action we have written in the script, it will execute all of those. You see is printed, that means it works successfully. Also in the JUnit test result, you see it is passed, green mark. That means it is works like similar. Only thing, you will not see the browser, it will work behind the scene. That is headless browser. It will be, let's say your test is way longer script, and with GUI option, browser open, it will navigate here and there, page load, it will take some times. But if you do the headless browser option, it will be so faster than real browser. I believe this will be very helpful those who are new in Selenium automation, also headless browser testing. And also you can do the same thing for HTML unit driver, Chrome browser, anything. You can do headless browser option too. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Also, if you have any question, please make a comment. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you for watching this video.